Okay, time for another walk, guys, over the Haslingden Moors, Lancashire, UK. Absolutely beautiful, living the dream, love it. Okay guys, so yeah, Haslingden Moors, Lancashire, UK. Let's get up to the moors. Beautiful, late afternoon, we've had some snowfall. Come on, let's have a wander. So as you can see, we did get the heavy snowfall, but it was that windy, it's all drifted around, so there's no level snow to really measure. These drifts are, well, they're halfway up me, they're about 3 foot deep. Well, forecast was for a foot of flat line snow, but like I said, it's blown off the moors, can't measure it, but definitely a good snowfall. Absolutely beautiful. So no cooking today, just having a walk. Crazy weather. I went over Pendle Hill the other day talking about how spring like it was and someone's born. The buds are coming out, pond full of frog spawn. A couple of days later, blizzards. You just never know this time of year. It's not usual for this time of year, but you just never know what you're going to get. Check this out, guys. It's fairly deep. Look at that, guys, how beautiful is that? Sun setting over there. Look at the colouring, absolutely beautiful. Like a pinky, orangey colour. Love this time of day. Absolutely beautiful evening, sun setting. The colouring of the landscape, pinky, orangey colour. All on my own, peace and quiet. There's a road that runs about a mile down there, but apart from that, you can't beat it. Love it. So the sun's just gone over the horizon. Absolutely beautiful colouring. Also real stunning weather the last few days, really have. But when you get the cold weather, it becomes lovely and clear. Okay guys, starting to go dark now. Gonna get back, get something to eat, have a look up around the chill out, reflect on the day. That sun is just set over there. Thanks for watching, please do like, share, subscribe, lots more coming up. You lot take care, speak soon.